Good morning friends and welcome. Wonderful day today, 25 degrees. Perfect weather for a ride with my Royal Enfield Meteor 350. And today I will show you something new. I will test a new jacket and it's the jacket I'm wearing now. It's a jacket from Pando Moto. They were so kind to send me this jacket to test it out. Yeah, this jacket is a bomber jacket. I love bomber jackets. I have them for about 20-30 years already. A green one, a black one. And this is a bomber style motorcycle jacket now from Pando Moto. Very slim line. I will show you all the details when I stop somewhere here. So here it is, the new Pando Moto Ventura Black jacket, AA rated. It's a bomber style jacket, but a little bit more street urban style. Very slim line, so you have no wind drag with it. It's optimized for summer. So I will show you some more close-up details of the jacket. So the material, it's a little bit like jeans. It's this Cordura denim. You have some zippers on the pocket, very high quality everywhere. Also here, this is the air ventilation with some mesh material. Then you have this mesh area here in the middle. And depending on which zipper you are using, this one or the other one, the jacket is closed or the jacket is open in the middle. Very pleasant feature. And if you are using this zipper here, then you have a special protection so that you don't scratch your motorcycle tank with the zipper. This is a good idea. And inside you can see this inner liner, this thermal liner. This here is a connector to your jeans or motorcycle trousers so that the jacket stays in place. Also a good feature. And inside there's this big pocket here for the back protector that I put in. Here you can see size XL and AA rated. And here inside you have a big pocket with a zipper for your wallet. So all in all, the fit and finish is very good. As always, Pando Moto, very high quality. I can absolutely recommend this jacket. On the arms you have some rib cuffs so that there is no wind getting inside. So the classic bomber style, but very fashionable, more slimline than a bomber jacket. And if you open the jacket, inside there's a thicker liner you can take off. And if you take this inner liner off, this thermal liner, then there's a mesh material inside, so much more pleasant for the summertime. And you have all the armor on the elbow and on the shoulders. You have all the armor, but I think you don't see it that much. And it wears so comfortable. So on the back side, you have some small ventilation openings here and on the other side, so that the airflow can get outside of the jacket. The material is really nice. This Cordura denim, especially for the summertime, it's not as hot as a big motorcycle jacket, and this is what I really like. And what is very pleasant, the jacket is quite lightweight, especially when you take out the inner liner, and really very comfortable for the summertime. And you have all the protection, so I think it looks good. So you can go into a cafe with this jacket and it doesn't look like a motorcycle jacket. And you have very good wind circulation inside the jacket with this mesh here at the front and some mesh openings at the arms. So if you are riding, all the wind is getting in here. So very, very nice features. And the jacket is very safe. It's AA rated. So I think this is a perfect jacket for my summer rides. So what do you think about the look? I really like this bomber style. Very classic, especially here at the neck, very comfortable everything. The price of the Ventura jacket is 379 euros, but you will find a discount code of 10% down in the video description. And the trousers that I'm wearing with the jacket are the Marc Olive AAA rated cargo jeans, also from Pando Moto. Very comfortable jeans, my favorite ones at the moment. I also have them in black. Look very good, have some openings here on the legs for some air ventilation because the jeans is made out of ballistics on some parts, so very rugged. And of course it's a little bit warmer. So in summertime you can open here and you have some good airflow on your legs. Then big pockets everywhere, what I like. I can put all my stuff in here on the side and of course some pockets on the back. So a very good jeans. Comes with a hip protection and knee protection, D3O protectors level 1, but you can change them, especially at the knees. I did it to level 2 protectors from D3O. So all in all, super safe and super comfortable. So this will be my new summer outfit. The boots are the Apex sneakers, also from Pando Moto. Very comfortable sneakers, fit very good with this more street style looking outfit. It's not that much looking as motorcycle gear. So with this outfit, I'm not looking like a biker when I'm going into a cafe or a restaurant. This is like a normal streetwear outfit, but you have all the protection that you need for the motorcycle ride. The links to this complete outfit are down in the video description, and of course there's a discount code for you. So when it comes to my road trip with my Lambretta scooter, I still have to wait a little bit. The rest of this week will be raining every day, so I will wait one more week. Next week will be maybe a little bit better, and then I will start my longer road trip with the scooter. Something very interesting, maybe a small adventure. So I will continue my ride now and test my new jacket a little bit more. I'm really happy with it. So my feedback is very good jacket. I cannot say anything about the security, the AA rating, because I don't want to test it on the street. But as far as I can feel it, the protection is good on the right places. It's not moving anywhere. And I have a back protector inside. And the material is very safe. So I have a good feeling with this jacket. But the main part is it's not as hot as a normal motorcycle jacket, and the fit and feel is very comfortable. About the sizing, I'm 188 centimeters tall, and this one is an XL. So perfect fit for me. The arms are long enough. Yeah, sometimes I have problems that the arms are too short, but this one is absolutely perfect. So that's it for today. If you are riding, please ride safe. Have a nice time. Have a great summer season. I see you in the next one. Take care and cheers.